Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to Pasha Media. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can create YouTube video artworks using Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting time, let's get started. Alright, so before you can create an artwork for YouTube, you need to know what is the dimensional size of the YouTube artwork itself. Okay, so you can upload videos in Full HD, in 4K, in whatever it is, whatever size. YouTube does accept that. But when it comes to creating artworks for your videos, YouTube only accepts 1280 by 720. That is just the artwork. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your artworks, how you can change your YouTube videos artworks and put your own artwork, not from the video, because by default, YouTube does pick certain pictures from your video and use them as your artworks. But in this scenario, I'm going to show you guys how you can now customize your video artworks by uploading a custom video artwork. So in this video, basically I'm explaining to you how you can create YouTube videos custom artworks. Alright, so since we have selected our size here, which is 1280, 720, and it's pixels, it's not inches, it's not centimeters, is pixels, because websites and anything that has to do with computer screen or cell phone screens, it has to do with pixels. So we got 1280 by 720, RGB color, everything looks great, and then we create. Okay, so this is how 1280 by 720 looks like. So here, if you really want to understand what is 720, is basically from this line here to this top line here. So basically it's from the top to the bottom, from the bottom to the top, and then from left to right. That is going to be our 1280. Alright, so without wasting time, once you have done that, then now this is where you put the name of the video. Sometimes you can put an image, a picture, but it is very important that you write what the video is all about. So in this video, I would say this is how to create YouTube video artwork using Adobe Photoshop. And then in the bottom there, a viewer needs to know that this is a video tutorial. So I would say tutorial. And then I'll just center my text. And then we can always take this, make it a heavy demo, almost like bold, extra bold, I would say. And this one also can also be heavy demo as well. And maybe this one too can as well be. So that's how you create your YouTube video artworks. But I'll change the color for this one as well, so that it doesn't look the same. And the top one here also, we can always change the color as well to make it stand out. So I think I'll go for that little bit of dark blue somewhere there, greenish. And the bottom one here as well, I'll also try to see if I can get a nice color for that, at least building from this one, since Photoshop is bluish type. Okay, so once you have done that part, you can see that this artwork will allow a person to see. But what I'll do is I'll take all these texts and then I'll just put them on the center. Alright, so with that said, with that written like that, a person is able to click on this video knowing that whenever he's gonna click on this video, he is going to watch how to create a YouTube videos artwork. How to create YouTube videos artworks using Adobe Photoshop. So this as an artwork of the video stands out. It also does not give false information, because then a person is not going to expect soccer or anything in that regards. He is only going to expect what the title is talking about. Well, once this is done and you are happy with this arrangement, then obviously all you need to do is go to Save As and select JPEG and then give it a name, artwork. How to create YouTube videos artwork. And then save. Click OK. So once that is done, then definitely I'll show you now in my next video how you can use the same artwork to update your YouTube video artworks. But so far, this is how it looks. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and if this video has added some knowledge into your production, then obviously I'll request you guys to click subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that whenever I'm dropping my new video, you can be notified. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.